Alright, I want to give an update on my tank. As you can see, there is like no algae, or barely any algae. There's some right there, and very tiny bits on the back wall. You see? There's nada. As far as stocking goes, I got me a yellow-tailed damsel, a clown, a Brittle Star. It's back there. And a lawnmower Blenny. Not sure if I mentioned that already in the other videos, but don't know where he went. So right now my concern is the Blenny ate all this algae. How was all the Blenny? I think a small portion of it was the cleanup crew. So Blennies are good for that, but I think it's about to starve because there's like no more algae. So I gotta supplement algae. So I have this algae that I wrapped around. I went and bought some and wrapped it around that rock with a rubber band. Hopefully he'll start eating from it. There he is. He's still grazing on the sand, you know, but hopefully he can start nipping off of that. The sump, I got me another Brittle Star. You know, he's a green one, really nice. This guy looks awesome. But I was expecting one of the brown ones, but local fish store got me a green one, and I don't know. I gotta look them up and see what the deal is with the green ones. Hopefully they're alright. If not, I'll take them right back out. Should be okay though. But yeah, this is the guy that did all that algae cleanup. And he got it good too. So my next video, I'm hoping to get some feather dusters before I jump into the big corals. There's this green anemone that I want to get. I forget the name of it, but it's real nice at the fish store, so I might snag it. Got some worms. This has some type of feather duster as well. And there's a few of those. As far as water parameters go, I'm at like 415 or maybe slightly higher. I gotta do a test again, but I'm right where I need to be with alkalinity and calcium. My alkalinity could actually be a little higher, but you know, correcting that might throw things a little off if I try too hard correcting it. So, but I'm within range, so I think I can go ahead and start throwing some corals in here slowly. I guess that's pretty much it. Alright, till next time. Hopefully this guy stays alive. Alright, bye.